Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you a very short tour about my house. But before you go on, please like and subscribe. So let's go on. So let's go inside the first house. This house I used 2 days to build it. In this house we have 2 bedrooms. Let's go inside the hall. This is the television area. As you can see, the chairs and carpet is there. This is the swimming pool area. This is the kitchen where we cook the food. This is the room. I built this house 2 days ago, so I didn't put anything there. This is another room. So let's go outside and see the garden. As you can see my small garden here and the swimming pool. So let's go to the next house. This house I used 1 day to build it. If you are playing Minecraft, you have to have a lot of time. You can see the stairs. Let's move to the next house. This is the back of the house I'm going to show you right now. So this is the front of the house. This house I used 5 days to build it. This is the swimming pool area. Now let's go inside. This is the outside. Let's go upstairs. As you can see, these houses that I just showed you right now are empty because I just built it. This is the last room of the house. So let's move on to the next house. That's the entrance of the house. You can see the red carpet and the flowers. That's the kitchen. There's the chairs. Let's move upstairs. Yeah, on top of the building. Let's go up. This is the last room. And I also have an underground house. So let's go there too. Guys, please, I used a lot of time to build this house. So please leave a like and a comment and please subscribe. This is the room. We have a small bed there and a small library. Let's go out to the next house. Oh, I have a Facebook message. Sorry guys. This is the next house. Guys, if I get 10 subscribers, I'll be making portals. Let's go upstairs. This house is also empty. This is the balcony. Let's go downstairs. Guys, if I'm having a problem with this video, please leave a comment. Let's move to the next house. This house is actually empty too. Let's go upstairs. This is the house I was building, but you see, you need a lot of time. This house, I'll say I used 1 hour less than 1 hour to build it. It was easy. This house that I'm showing you, I saw Minecraft tutorials. So if you like this video, please leave a like and comment and subscribe. Thank you.